Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to get the best Burners and Novel discount promo code in 2025, then this video is for you. So first website that can help you, that is CouponFollow. So you have to follow this URL, that couponfollow.com/site/Burners and Novel this.com here. So if you follow this URL, you can find a full list of this code here. So you're going to find the discount details here. Now you have to simply click on show promo code, and you can find this code revealed here. Simply click on copy, and you can use this code whenever you are going to shop on this Burners app and Novel. Now the second website, that is SimplyCourse. So you can search for simplycourse.com/store/Burners and Novel.com, and you can find this list here where you can find the topic here, and it is here the verified code where you can find 100% success rate here. Now you have to simply click on view code, and here is your code that you can use when you are a member on the website, the Burners and Novel, and you can get a free ebook. Now the third website is TenorTeam. So you can go to the Burners and Novel.tenorteam.com/coupons, and from here you can also find some discounts that is verified here, and the code here. Simply click on get code, and it will reveal the code. Simply click on copy, and you can use it to purchase an ebook from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.